Have you ever wondered how political dynasties are formed? Today, we are going to take a journey through time, tracing the rise of a family that has been making headlines in Zimbabwe, the Mnangagwa family. It all started when President Mnangagwa showcased his 38-year-old twin sons ahead of the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair's opening. This event, graced by the Kenyan President William Ruto, had to be delayed by a day, but was ultimately successful. The president hasn't been shy about promoting his sons within the government. In 2023, their mother, Auxilia, took them on an enlightening business trip to Belarus. This was a clear sign that the Mnangagwa family was gearing up for something big. And big it was. Sean was appointed to a senior position in the military, specifically the Presidential Guard. His brother Collins didn't lag behind, getting involved in gold mining across the country. This was a strategic move to consolidate power and influence in the military and economic sectors. But what's a political saga without a bit of drama? Enter Wicknell Chivayo. He emerged as a significant funder after winning a massive lawsuit against ZASA in December. The judge ordered the state-owned company to pay him over $28 million, despite him not delivering on his contract. But why all this power accumulation? The strategy, it seems, was for President Mnangagwa to pave the way for one of his sons to succeed him while maintaining control over the military and the ruling party, ZANU-PF. However, as in any political journey, there were roadblocks. Moves by Auxilia Mnangagwa were met with resistance within ZANU-PF. The military, a significant player in Zimbabwean politics, also made it clear they would not accept a Mnangagwa succession. Chiwenga, a strong presence in the military, began making the necessary moves, possibly indicating a power shift. Meanwhile, the launch by Chamisa remained on track, adding another layer of intrigue to the unfolding political drama. To sum up, the Mnangagwa family's rise has been a blend of strategic appointments, economic ventures, and power consolidation. However, resistance within the party and military, coupled with other political players' moves, adds uncertainty to this political saga. It's a story that continues to unfold, and only time will tell its conclusion.